So there's been a lot of buzz about the flagship soundbar, the Sonos Arc, and we're here to tell you why you need to experience the Sonos Arc. So in this jam-packed video, we're here to explain to you how to set up your Sonos soundbar, what is Dolby Atmos, what Sonos can do for you in the long run, how Sonos can fit into your home aesthetically, why you need to experience the Sonos Arc. Okay, so we head into the Sonos app, view the terms, scroll down and accept. And we set up new system. Type in your email. Once you power on, your Sonos Arc will pop up on your Sonos app and you can add it to your system. Then the Arc will play a chime and I'm ready to go. And there we have the Sonos Arc connected. Okay, so we're done setting up the Sonos Arc. Right now, let's jump into the calibration of a home theater system. So traditionally, you would need to engage a sound engineer to come down to your living space to calibrate it for you. But with Sonos' Trueplay technology, you can do it yourself. So Sonos always has the customer in mind. So whether you have a big house, a smaller house, high ceilings or low ceilings, Sonos' Trueplay technology has got you covered. What Trueplay does is it acoustically tunes the sound according to your living space. So in the past, you need to be an ideal distance between yourself and the speaker, but right now with Sonos' Trueplay technology, you'll be able to set up your Sonos home theater system seamlessly without a professional. So whether you're in a space like this, or this, or this. So here's how you go about doing Trueplay. Grab your iPhone, walk around the space of your listening area, and in a matter of seconds, Trueplay is done. So for all you Android users out there, Sonos did not forget about you. With a new software update that just happened, quick tuning is available on your Android phone. Ever since the pandemic, there's been a rise in demand for an immersive home theater experience. Imagine having Dolby Atmos in the comfort of your own home. All around you. But there's nothing wrong with heading to the theaters to watch a movie. But what if they're not showing your favorite Top Gun Maverick movie anymore? Will your hopes and dreams be shattered? Will you not be able to be immersed in your favorite Tom Cruise movie? Fret not, because when you got your Sonos home theater, you can experience immersive movie experience anytime in the comfort of your own home. But fret not if you're a music lover, Sonos has got you covered as well. And if you didn't manage to get your Coldplay tickets, no worries, because hey Sonos, play music by Coldplay.
Playing music by Coldplay.
So just close your eyes right now and just immerse yourself. Just imagine that you're in a stadium and Chris Martin and the band are playing right in front of you. And by the way, this is in the comfort of your own home. You're able to experience live-like music in the comfort of your own home. Just close your eyes and just lean back and relax. Okay, but back to the point, Sonos is really easy to use and simple to set up. This is the Arc. This is the Arc and Sub. This is the Arc, Sub, and Era 300s as your surround speakers. Dolby Atmos really gives you a 3D audio when you watch your movies. So no longer is it always coming from the front is coming from the back as well and even up in the clouds. So you could feel the helicopter moving all the way above in the clouds, or even a gunshot going right past your ear. It is really so immersive, and it's so key for you to get yourself a Dolby Atmos soundbar to future-proof yourself. Yep. And also, we'll talk a little bit more about why everybody's talking about the Sonos Arc and the Sonos home theater in general. So Sonos really has the consumer in mind when it comes to buying all your products. So actually all Sonos products are modular, meaning that you'll be able to add on along the way. So a home theater system consists of a soundbar, a subwoofer, and of course your surround speakers. But if you're not ready to go ahead and purchase your sub or your surround speakers, you can go ahead and purchase your soundbar first. But of course each individual component has to do a certain job. So you might ask, what does the sub do? So for your movies, the sub really helps with the low ends, the rumbling, the explosions, and the helicopter sounds. And what does your soundbar do? Your soundbar does three things alone. It does the highs, the mids, and the lows. But what happens when your soundbar is paired together with your subwoofer? It calibrates such that all the low ends from your soundbar go to the subwoofer, having not only more bass with the sub, but your soundbar gets clearer as well. So this addition of a sub is not only good for your movies, but good for your music as well. Since the soundbar can focus on the mids and the highs, it's gonna be much clearer as well. Having a Dolby Atmos soundbar is great, but with the addition of Era 300 or Era 100 as your surround speakers, it's gonna bring a whole new level of immersiveness to your home theater movie watching. But when you're not watching your movies, these can be your music speakers as well. They can be put in your kitchen, in your bedroom. It really is versatile when it comes to buying into a Sonos home theater system. Oh, so we've heard great sound from the Sonos Arc, but how does it fit aesthetically into your home? Yeah, let's change this. Wow, it's white. Sonos is actually the first home theater system to have it full white. So for everybody who wants another alternative other than black, we've got you covered. If you're thinking of building a themed home, the Sonos home theater will fit it beautifully. Whether you go for woody japandi, classy minimalist, soft organic lines, plant homes. Speaking of which, yeah, plant homes. So I think it will fit really nicely. And last but not least, mid-century modern. The black will be pretty nice with it. So, wow. Yes, so I feel the black will definitely fit. So the Sonos app is really jam-packed with different features. And over here, we have the Sonos Arc, the Dolby Atmos soundbar with upward firing speakers. And not many people know this, but on the app, you are actually able to control the volume of the upward firing speakers. And more than just that, if you want to do a multi-room to group your Sonos Arc together with your other Sonos speakers, you're able to do that as well. Hey Sonos, play music everywhere.
Playing music everywhere.
So there are some things that can be found on the Sonos app that you might not know about. So there are things like an alarm feature that you can go ahead and do and set an alarm. One, firstly is to wake you up, but secondly, what I like to do is I'll set my alarm to about 7 p.m. When I get home, I'll choose which speaker I want it to be on. I'll choose what song I want to hear on it, and I'll pick the volume, and I can see how long I want it to go on for as well. And once I'm ready, I can save it. So what this does is really, it welcomes me home. When I get home at 7 p.m, I open my door, my Sonos speakers are playing, and yeah, it's a nice greeting, it's a nice welcome home. But more than just that, I can also go ahead to Sonos Radio. Because Sonos speakers work on Wi-Fi, you are able to have the capabilities to have not only local radio stations, but international radio stations as well. So you can see all the locations over here. And yeah, whichever country you would like to listen to the radio, go ahead to Sonos Radio and you can find it out. There are other things that are found on the Sonos app that are really practical as well. So you can go ahead and select your Sonos soundbar and you'll see there's a speech bubble over there. So let's say when you're watching movies, a jam-packed action movie, and you want to hear a little bit more of the dialogue, go ahead and press the speech enhancement button, and this will increase the higher frequencies like the vocals and the speech. And on the left as well, you'll see a moon, and that is actually Sonos night sound. So if you're watching a movie at night and don't want to disturb the neighbors, go ahead and press night sound and all the low ends will be a little bit more muted without having for you to lower down the volume. Yep, okay, so right next...
Okay, Brandon. I have an important question. Please hold this for me. Okay, important question. I am just afraid that after buying this product that I literally just bought, right? You know, I probably need to buy another one of these like next year when a new one comes out.
No, you don't need to worry about that because Sonos is really powerful for their software. And to let you guys know, so just like your iPhones, when they have a software update, you get new features, so can your Sonos products. So your Sonos products can improve over time. Yes, all for free through updates on your Sonos app. Yes, so it will really help you future-proof yourself for the long run when you buy into a Sonos product and the Sonos ecosystem. Yeah, so man, I think you're pretty good to go.
Okay, I'm just gonna...
In the Sonos app.
Okay, I'm gonna go home and set this up.
So like I mentioned just now, Sonos is really popular for their software updates, their powerful software updates. So they are really customer-centered and they really want the feedback from you. And pairing it together with their Grammy Award-winning sound engineers and the feedback that you give as a customer, putting them both together, you really get the best of both worlds with Sonos. Fun fact, 90% of Sonos products since the year Sonos began are still being supported with Sonos software updates. And it is a very intentional process on Sonos' end that they go through every single individual speaker from the new ones to the previously released ones to make sure that they update and you get the best software for that product. Okay, so to wrap up, we'll talk about Sonos warranty. And just to share with you guys, Sonos warranty, you might have questions about it. When does it start? How long is it? So let me just share with you. So, Sonos products, not only the Sonos Arc, the moment you plug it in and turn it on, that's when your warranty starts. So for all you new homeowners out there, don't worry if you got a house coming in 1 year's time or maybe 1.5 years, don't worry about your warranty running out on Sonos. So, I mean, we've talked about software and speakers improving over time. It's up to you whether you want to experience the Sonos Arc, but for Singaporeans out there, do head down to our TC flagship store at the Adelphi. I mean, having a demo is free, so why not take a try? I definitely like free stuff. Hope you do too.